Hello. Max Games is here. I just bought this smartwatch from Aliexpress. It arrived from China to my country Algeria in just 15 days. The model is i8. Let's do the unboxing and see what we got. Here we have the manual how to use the watch. Here is the charging station. It's not wireless, but it has 2 copper pins and a magnet inside. Here are the straps. And here it is, the watch itself. As you can see, the watch looks decent and it feels heavy in my hand because the body is made of aluminum. Here is the case protection cover and the screen glass protector, but it will not fit the watch because the watch has no curves on the edges like an Apple Watch Series 7. Before we continue, let's charge it first, and I will come back to you to test it. So here is the watch fully assembled, with protection cover. You can change its watch faces. And it has many functions like dial numbers to call someone like in your phone, measuring your heartbeats and blood pressure and oxygen in your body, weather, phone book, receiving messages from SMS or WhatsApp or Facebook, take a photo from distance, look for your phone if you lost it, monitoring your sleep quality, controlling music, double-click the wheel to change the organization of the icons in the menu. You need to use Superband app to use it with the watch. It works better than Fit Pro app. As for the screen protection, you need to get the cut-on-demand 45mm screen protection to fit the flat screen. Thank you for watching.